Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza like Domino's. First, let's talk about the foundation, the dough. Achieving that signature Domino's crust starts with the right dough. You'll want to use bread flour for a chewier texture and aim for a hydration level of around 60 to 65%. This ensures a soft, pliable dough. Knead it for a good 10 to 15 minutes to properly develop the gluten, which is key for that perfect rise and chewiness. This initial step is crucial for success. Next up, the sauce and cheese, which are vital for that familiar taste. For the sauce, keep it simple. A slightly sweet tomato sauce, not too heavily seasoned, will give you that authentic flavor profile. Spread it evenly across your dough, making sure to leave about a 1-inch border for the crust. For the cheese, a blend of low-moisture mozzarella and a small amount of provolone is the secret. This combination melts beautifully and provides that classic, stretchy texture we all love. Now let's talk about toppings and the crucial baking process. When adding your favorite toppings, remember to distribute them strategically and avoid overcrowding. Too many toppings can lead to a soggy pizza. For baking, preheat your oven to a scorching 500 degrees Fahrenheit, ideally with a pizza stone or steel inside. This intense heat is essential for a crispy crust. Bake your pizza for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Finally, the finishing touches that elevate your homemade pizza. As soon as your pizza comes out of the oven, brush the crust with a delicious garlic butter mixture. This adds an incredible burst of flavor and a lovely sheen. Before you dive in, let the pizza rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This brief pause allows the cheese to set properly, preventing it from sliding off. Then, slice it into 8 uniform pieces, and your Domino's-style pizza is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.